devices. But please remain seated and leave your carry-on empty. No. Please be advised that the aircraft doors will remain open during ground servicing and for your safety. Please ensure that you and any children you are supervising remain clear of the front and back doors. If you're connecting here to another Southwest flight, please check the monitor in the terminal for your flight safety number.
All right, we're at the airport.
Yep. And here's another on the other side.
Yeah, they're over there. All right, headed to North Carolina for Andrews. Headed to North Carolina for Andrew's graduation party. We're there for 3 days. We're renting a car when we get there. I have rented a car, but I've never done the skip the line, just go pick up your car. So that is going to be an experience. But we're on Southwest, leaving out of Dallas. I'll pick you up in a little bit here. Yeah.
Hey, Chad.
Eliana's vlogging right now. Eliana's vlogging.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see what she do.
Okay, Eliana,
Yeah.
how's the flight been?
Good.
What's the best thing of the flight?
Watching
on your iPad?
watching and playing games.
What about you, Harrison? Great answer. Very communicative, this one.
Maybe trying to take pictures of me and we're landing. Apparently my eyes go in different directions.
Hey, we're on the ground. How do I stop it?
Eliana, how's that landing?
On behalf of the flight crew
and
of Southwest
fast.
Airlines, we'd like to welcome you to Raleigh Terminal. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Seat back in time. Please
How
be
was the
careful when
landing?
opening the
It was really
overhead
bumpy.
bin and out of
And Avery was trying to take pictures of me, like in my face. It didn't turn out well. I'll show you here. are getting real in here. My gosh. Oh my goodness.
I was thinking about
It's not a vacation without Marissa dancing. Oh, and then Nana's getting into it. Here comes Nana. Harrison dancing? I don't see Harrison dancing.
Mama's dancing.
Oh, we know that. All right, so a little bit of a break. We stopped. I don't even know where we're at. We're somewhere up at Top Sail, or on our way to Top Sail. I don't even know. Hold on, let me see if it shows me on the map. I don't know. We're in somewhere in North Carolina, and so we're headed towards.
Check. Mirrors? Check. Interplanetary being who creepily knows the ins and outs of your local municipal county? Check.
Okay, anyways, we stopped at this local, it said fresh produce. I don't know where we are, but we're in North Carolina. We're headed out towards the beach. We're to the Airbnb. Marissa and Eliana and Avery are inside shopping, and Avery's doing some vlogging, so y'all probably put that in here. But anyways, cute little shop. But Harrison is asleep. There. So I had to stay here at the in the car, but that's okay though. So anyways, I'm interested to see what they get, but I'll turn the camera on. I'll let you see what this cute little place, and then we are headed out. So we're about 45 minutes away from the Airbnb, so I'm happy to get there, and I'm really hoping to get some seafood tonight because we're like right on the ocean right there. So I could definitely go for some good seafood. So anyways, I'll show you what they got when I'll show you where they're at.
Okay guys, wait, hold on, let me get the light. Anyways, we found a little fresh produce place on the way, so I can't like see myself. Anyways, so do you need a green onion? Or some peppers? Or some patty pan squash? Patty pan? Patty pan? Boiled peanut. Do y'all see that? Boiled peanuts. Look. Can I zoom in? I don't think I know we're going in. Let's go in and see what Bear Ridge Farms. That's where we are. Guys, there's a whole room of things. What? There's a whole room of things in here. Jelly.
Okay, so I'm gonna do mild, I think.
Where's this getting salsa? This looks really tasty.
I think this one maybe? No, it's the salt.
What?
We came back.
Where exactly do you think you're gonna put that?
Should we do a haul video really quick? Okay guys, this is our haul.
Look, hold on. Look at our. We have no room in our car.
Okay, first you can't eat when we got them. Anyways, they had a baby for sale inside too.
A baby?
Yeah. So we have sourdough, fresh sourdough bread.
Ooh, chips. Okay.
Lady fingers because they're wedding cookies. We have salsa, mild salsa to go with the chips.
Fresh, homemade, fresh. They make it here.
This one, the Bear Ridge Farms, is like fresh. Hot and spicy tomato salsa.
Both of you do not like hot or spicy.
I do.
Avery does.
What
Oh.
are you talking about?
Oh, you're Mexican. I forgot.
And then we have strawberry rhubarb jam.
Of course.
And we got you,
Ooh, nut goodies.
we got you homemade.
Oh, Grandma Lola would be so happy.
They're made here, so they're good.
Nice.
So we got chips to go with the salsa. We got homemade bread to go with the jams.
Nice.
Well, we didn't get the baby though.
Well, that's good.
We did have some
His
produce,
name
but
was
we didn't know if it was
Watson.
actually fresh from here or we weren't sure if it was
Okay.
actually local fresh.
His name was Watson.
We're right here because Julian can't.
Yay! We're here. We're finally here. Let's see what we got on here. Oh. Close the door. Ooh, look at that view. Ooh, we got a little fire pit right there. That's kind of cool. Hey, you gonna have some crab?
No, thank you.
You don't want crab?
Do they have anything else in that?
Yeah, they have crab.
What else?
Crab.
What else, Daddy?
Crab.
I know, but what else
What are
in
you gonna
that?
have? You gonna have some crab?
Nah. That's it?
That's it, just crab.
Avery!
Okay.
It literally is called the crab pot.
Okay, we're looking at about an hour and a half.
Wow.
Some flounder, and he said, what's that? I said, like, you know, the fish from Ariel. Do you want to eat flounder?
You're gonna eat the yellowfish?
Ow!
Alright, we got hush puppies. Did you get enough? Fried pickles. Ooh. And the crab balls.
Oh,
Those are like, I bet you that's like a crab cake. Just in a ball. That's what I think. Like a hush puppy, yeah, crab cake hush puppy. That's a good, it was one.
Is that butter?
Yeah, this is literally a hush puppy
Yes, it is.
crab cake.
Look, it's melted butter, buddy. Look.
I think it's pretty good though.
I promise. I promise. I promise. Let's
Pretty
see.
good. Marissa got oysters.
What? They're like, What are they all talking about? They're hot though, right? They're steamed? Yeah. Where's the pearl?
No
No pearls. No pearls. Sorry. I'm sorry. Corn dog?
I got the mahi mahi. Ooh, blackened. Mmm. Alright, fun fact. It is the oldest restaurant on the island. It was pretty good.
It was good.
It was really good. I definitely recommend going.
So good. The only thing is be prepared that you might wait and you might wait for your food. But it's like if you're okay with that, like we were, it's great. Like,
And if you want beer specials, it's $1.04 for Pabst Blue Ribbon.
they had good food though.
There you go.
Whatever you buy, I felt like was really good and worth it. Like,
Yes. Crab pot or the, what was it called? There's two names.
No, I did not.
The crab pot or the Surf City crab, whatever.
why is the
Gotta
lights
go.
on?
I don't know.
Okay.
Why are the lights on?
Does anybody have their door open?
Harrison, did you press the